Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming basics. Charge the case and both buds to at least 50% so power isn't the culprit. Once done, inspect the mesh and metal charging contacts for debris. Clean gently with a dry brush or cotton swab. Next, open Bluetooth settings on your phone and confirm the JLab Go Air shows as connected. If only one bud appears, you'll move into resetting and repairing steps. Do that now, because pairing state often hides the real issue. Once you've verified charging and connectivity, perform the factory reset. Place both buds in the case, hold the pairing button for the specified time until the LEDs flash, then release. You do this to clear single-side stereo faults. After resetting, remove the headset from your phone's Bluetooth list and start a fresh pair operation. Make sure both LEDs blink and pair simultaneously. If you use the JLab app, check for firmware updates. Updates can fix audio channel bugs, so install them if present. Now finalize troubleshooting by reseating the buds. Swap left and right positions in the case and test audio to see if the issue follows a bud or a side. This reveals hardware vs. case contact problems. Make sure to test with a second device. If the affected side still fails, it's likely a bud hardware fault. If everything else fails, contact JLab support or submit a warranty claim. Quick tip: if one bud is intermittent, gently clean the contact pins again and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.